To overcome. What did you see just now? Some of the slides that talk about problem solving, people, engagement. What else that you see? Pictures. Because a lot of different things, and you also see some stand in the middle, some at the stage, behind the stage. I mean, like behind the podium. So some of us may be walking around. There will be different type of personality, different type of co-workers, different type of clients that you all need to engage, that you challenge yourself. I like to also want to know, do you all have any questions to the young professional? Any questions? It's not curious at all. Do you all have any questions to them? Any questions to them? You can ask.
Test. What made you to join this event?
Anyone want to answer? Why you are here? Being forced.
First of all, my friends and I, the three of us are diploma students, and we are in SEM 1. So we are first time here. We have never joined this kind of events. So we are here to look for experience and learn how the industry works.
You enjoying it? Enjoying it?
Yes, we are enjoying it.
Any questions? You pass one. No, hang on. You pass one to talk about it. Anyone from the floor, not just your gang here. You see so many people sitting around. Just pick one.
Pick one?
Yeah, I will ask them a question.
Oh, okay.
Anyone that you like, anyone that you don't like?
I don't have anyone I don't like.
just pass the mic.
Oh, okay, pass the mic.
Just pass the mic.
There's someone who piqued my interest.
Right.
Okay.
You want to introduce yourself a bit?
Oh. Hi everyone, my name is Grace from Penang Convention and Exhibition Bureau, which is the host. Okay. Yeah.
Grace, why do we have these sessions here?
Learning, exchange the knowledge, of course, like networking. And today I feel the session is very good because we not only, understand the issue that we have, but you're also giving the solution. I think this is the thing that we are looking for. Thank you.
Thank you, and pick one more.
Pick one more.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you will hate me,
You should speak. No, nobody will hate you.
Okay. Maybe at the back?
Carol hiding.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi everybody, I'm Farah from Sunway University. I'm here to learn new trends with regards to technology and sustainability in events, and I'm happy to see everybody and connect. Yeah, thanks.
And what is your key takeaway today?
That there are many practices in PACIFICO Yokohama and by the young leaders in events, so it's good to learn more and be proactive. Yeah.
Thank you. Do you have any more questions you all wanted to share or learn about or talk about? So we talk about leadership. Can I know in the room, anyone wanted to be a leader? Anyone want to be a leader? So nobody, actually it's okay not to be a leader because there are different personality and you have something that good at or, maybe weakness or something like that. But what Takaya just now was saying that there is fear, how you overcome it. There's problem, how you overcome it, that's the key, right? And just quickly wanted to ask about how usually you all communicate to your client? You think different generations have different needs?
Yes, of course. I will give an example of how different the generation in terms of delegates. Very direct example. Mobile app versus a printout. So for younger generations, of course, we are fine with mobile apps. We can swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, swipe down, whichever that we want. But what I have experienced is the more elderly one would prefer a printout. They will ask you, can you please print this program for me? And when you answer them, it's on the website, it's on mobile app, and they will further request, can you please print out from the website for me? I think that's the vast difference. And for events organizer, we always need to cater to that difference to make sure everyone is being taken care of.
Thank you. And what about from your side? Just wanted to ask you, what is a future business event that you wanted to see?
Future of the event. I think in Japan, we are always lacking on people. We have to work a long time. So I want to evolve the way we plan the event and set up for the room. But at the same time, I want to involve like ourselves, like how we handle the event coordination, how we handle email, how we make the estimates, so that more younger generation can feel that they want to join our industry.
Right. Thank you. Just now you talk about the HR issue and things like that. What is the best way to attract younger generations? I would say not younger generations or anyone that interested or wanted to change job that come to the industry and they think the industry is a good industry. Difficult questions? Can you all think also?
Maybe I can add 1 or 2 pointers to that. From the experience that we are trying to recruit people recently, I think it's slightly different. I'll give an example of interviewing. Previously, we always ask a question, what do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years? We always ask them, right? But I think at this time in time, it's in reverse. We should be telling them what they can see themselves in 3 to 5 years' time. In short, I mean opportunities. What opportunities that we are able to give to the young ones and for what they want to achieve. And only when they feel that they fit in, then they will say yes to us.
Do you have anything you want to share?
I think the younger people want to change the culture and how to do the business. So I'm 36 years old. I'm a middle manager. So we have to accept them. But we also talk to them. They are
Takaya-san was saying that actually it's like a mutual learning. So we need to be changing also, adapt to them instead of asking changes from youngsters. Yeah, this is the key
it's
point.
the both way.
Yes.
Yes, we embrace changes because nowadays a lot of changes going on and respect each other. We talk a lot about sustainability. We talk about, do you know what is DEI or EID, something like that? Anyone know about this? Have you all heard about this term? No, just tell us. No, it's okay. What you learned? What you heard about it? The diversity. In Malaysia, we see the diversity, you know, the equity and the inclusiveness. So you have to prepare and plan for everyone, right? So that's, and also now we talk about belongings. Just now Catherine was talking about like the company, and as well as an event like that, we need to make everyone feel that they come to the conference, they belong to one of them as well. So you prepare and you cater for them. Yeah? Any other questions?
I think that's all the time we have, Waikin. We're going to have to cut it short over there.